Hey guys, so I wanted to share a quick tip for those of you who are using my undated planner or my digital notebooks. And for each tab, there are two links. In the planner, you have your month at a glance view, and then you also have your monthly dashboard. And we're gonna turn this page into a daily planning page. And so that way, even if you're on one of the bonus pages in the back, you can jump back to your plan for the day really easily. Using the August dashboard as an example, this is what it looks like beforehand. And in our sticker book, we're gonna copy the daily plan sticker and paste it over top of this dashboard. But before I do a final placement, I'm gonna switch over to the image tool and we're going to crop it. And so what this does is it leaves the weekly navigation and the jump back to the monthly link at the top. Another tip that I have for duplicating these pages, if we go to my example for today, I'm going to duplicate this page. And on that original page, using the lasso tool, we're gonna make sure that images is deselected, and we're going to delete all of the text on this page. And so that way you have a fresh page and you still have all of your previous daily planning pages available. So I hope this tip helped. If you want more planning and productivity tips, I share them all the time on my Instagram, and the username is SmartDocsStudio. So feel free to give a follow, and thanks for watching.